Okay guys, hello everybody, Brandon Hirsch here, and today is of course Christmas Eve, Monday, December 24th, 2018, it's currently 8:12 p.m., and we're gonna go to my channel, so Brandon Hirsch, and of course there's my name right there, so we're going to click on it, and right here, as you can see, 10,006 subscribers, 36 videos. I know a lot of my videos are private right now, but do not worry guys, I am planning on making all those public again really soon in January. So yeah, don't worry about that guys. I'll get those back up eventually. But yeah, let's go to my channel now. And as you can see, here's my channel. 10,025 subscribers. And I just wanted to say thank you all. And as I'm making this video, I'll type out the post right now. Alrighty then. And I don't know if you can go back and, yeah, you can go back and edit posts. So I'm gonna go back after I film this video and take a screenshot of my sub count, and yeah, I'll upload that picture later so you guys can see it. But yeah, again, thanks for subscribing, and thank you everybody for just being great. So alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. This was just, you know, a quick little video. It's Christmas Eve, and I'm busy with the holidays, you know, And so, yeah, I just wanted to get this quick little video out. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace out, everyone.